Hey team, Dan Stockfield here in New York. How you guys doing? I just wanted to quickly share a video with you as something amazing just happened to me with my health journey. I just got done running 9 miles, and for those of you that know me, you understand why I'm flying high right now. For those of you who don't know me, the shorter version is I got started on my health journey in July 2012, almost 2 years ago. I was 300 pounds, okay? I couldn't run from here to the end of the parking lot when I first started. And, I just ran 9 miles. And I'm just kind of like, I'm still kind of shaking from it. I don't know what came over me tonight. I just had endless energy. I wasn't in pain. I just kept going and going. And as you see, I'm sitting here in the dark. I ran out of daylight. Actually, I ran out of daylight about 45 minutes ago, and I just kept going. I was running in the dark. I just wanted to keep going. So it's just a lot went into getting me to this point that I'm at right now. And like I said, for our teammates all around the country that I talk with regularly, thank you very, very much for all of your tips, your support. I just kept thinking about all of you the whole run. It just nonstop. And the first thing I wanted to do is just quickly get in the car, towel off and just say thank you to all of you. I can't name names, but the first person that comes to mind is my coach, Jim, and my other coach, Khalil, all right, and Alicia and Heather. You guys have been, like the backbone for me, during this whole journey. And thank you very, very much, teammates. And, I don't want to miss any other people, but, predominantly I'm thinking about our teammates in Arizona and Los Angeles, in California, in Philadelphia. You guys know who you are. I talk to you often, and I'm always sharing stuff with you. And you guys know and you understand how big this is for me. And I'm just, I'm just overwhelmed with emotion right now. So I just wanted to quickly share that with you guys. Thank you again. Extreme, extreme gratitude to all of you. All right. And hopefully, this will inspire you guys to just keep pushing forward and know that somebody in New York is thinking about you guys. All right. Thanks again.